A tractor pulls a trailer at a constant speed. The tractor exerts a force of 1600 Newton forwards on the trailer. What force is exerted by the trailer on the tractor? Okay, so the scenario is we have a tractor which is attached with the trailer over here, and tractor is actually pulling the trailer forward with a force of 1600 Newton. Okay, the force on trailer which was exerted by the tractor is in this direction, and the magnitude is 1600 Newton. This is the force actually tractor exerting on the trailer. And the question is, what force is exerted by the trailer on the tractor? And we know, if we don't know, then we should know that this is not rocket science. It's the law of the physical universe, which is in the form of Newton's third law. We know that Newton's third law. Okay, Newton's third law, what it says? Newton's third law states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Okay, this is the general definition of Newton's third law. The general definition. We're not talking about like force, velocity, acceleration. We're just talking generally. Okay? Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Okay, so tractor is actually doing an action on the trailer by pulling it with a force of 1600 Newton. And from Newton's third law, we know that every action has an equal and opposite reaction, which means the trailer is also going to apply a force on tractor of the same magnitude, according to Newton's third law, of the same magnitude. We know that equal but opposite. Okay, equal and opposite. So this means the trailer is also going to pull tractor. Okay, the force on tractor will also be 1600 Newton by the trailer, but in the opposite direction. So if tractor is pulling the trailer forward, then the trailer must be pulling the tractor backwards. Okay, so the correct option is 1600 Newton backwards. And what's the grounding? On what groundings have we decided this? The Newton's third law.